we are watching the tournament of the final round at this time between A team and the B team. And the captain of A team, Mr. Ankit Yadav, and the vice captain of A team, Rohit Ram. And the captain of B team, Mr. Shiva Yadav, and the captain of vice captain Nikitans Yadav. And the match is going on. Aggressive match at this time, an outstanding match at this time going on in the holy campus of the critical land. We would like to expect this time would be the champion of this tournament. We would not be expected that at this time. And today's match is something stopping at this time. And what is going on at this time? The ball is just striking by Mr. Rohit Ram, and good striking at this time. And what an excellent effort by the 18 at this time. And Nate 18 will be the champion. Nate the champion 18 left the score to the 1-1 right now. And today we are watching the Turkish countdown, the critical and the tournament of the final round at this time. And the ball is going to strike by the Rohit